Hi, Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us about the 2024 outlook for the people who were born in the year of the horse in the area of health?
Now, the horse and the dragon are very interesting companions. Sometimes we call the horse a disguise of the dragon. Okay? Maybe it's from the movie Monkey King. That's how it works. But in other words, the horse will have a lot of energy, very healthy year, but sometimes we're bouncing back and forth and hit things. So that means also take the time, don't rush on things too much.
And how about in the area of career?
Very high skill for management. And also there's a blood sign as well with the horse. So that means if the horse is in the management grade, okay, or if it's a surgeon or something to do with blood, they would do particularly well. And also there's a sign dealing with kind of burial stuff. So if the horse person is in a business dealing with that kind of segments, such as funeral homes or cemeteries, the horse people can actually make lots of money.
And lastly, in the area of marriage.
Okay, they're very close relation, but also tend to argue because of the self-centeredness with the horse people this year. Okay, so keep the cool, and instead of fighting back, arguing, take a deep breath, and then the harmony will be there.
Happy Chinese New Year.
恭喜發財。